I'm a doctor in my home country pursuing a master's in public health. What roles can we get into? What are some of the roles? You mentioned your role, and can you talk about some other roles in clinical research, Othniel?
There's different roles. There's CRA, clinical research associate. Those are basically, they call them site monitors.
Mhm.
So basically they go to sites and make sure the site is running that research according to the protocol. You have to monitor so well and make sure everything is done with a good clinical practice, as I mean everyone who is in research should have. So basically the monitor is just going there to make sure these research are being done according to protocol or to the SOPs of that site. There are also clinical trial associate roles as well, just like in-house monitors as well. There are regulatory roles as well, where you help. There are research assistant roles as well, where you help the coordinators, because as we said, the coordinators are very busy and have a very tight, you know, they are like the backbone. So there are research assistants who work with them as well.
Yeah, so there's a lot of great roles. And when you take our course, we go over many of the roles and we provide you with the foundation so you have an understanding of where you can start and then what you can move into.